Welcome everyone. We're a group from COMP9321 Web Application Engineering. Today we want to demonstrate an assignment in this course, which is a fairly simple bookstore website. This is the home page of our website. At first, we want to explain how our website constructed, and then we will demonstrate how to use our website. Our website was mainly developed by Eclipse. So first, our pages are written as JSP files, and the JSP files will get all the input from user, send them as parameters to a Java class called controller. The controller will pass these parameters, and it will call functions in another Java class called DAO. So the DAO get these parameters. It will encapsulate these parameters as a circle statement and send this statement to our database. We use Derby as our database because it's very simple and easy to use. Okay, let's show you an example. For example, if we want to search some books in our website, first we go to the home page. There is a text field here. We should enter the name of the book. It will be made as a parameter called search term, and it will be sent to controller. At the same time, there is another parameter called action. The value of action is normal search. So the controller will get the action parameter at first, and it says it's normal search, so it knows the page want it to do normal search here, and then it will get the search term parameter, so it knows what to search, and it will send this parameter to the DAO function, which is called normal search. We can find the DAO function normal search here. The DAO function will use this search term and generate a circle statement, which is a select query here, and it will send this query to our database. So the database will give him a result, and it will return the result to the controller, and then the controller will send this result as an attribute and send it to and forward the page to search list, which will fill in these results. So generally, that's how our web application constructed. Next, I will show you how to use our website. If you are a new user, the first time you go to the home page, it looks like this. So you need to register first. You need to fill all the information here and choose if you are a buyer or a seller, and tap and click register. And now we've inserted some accounts into our database, so we can log in first as a buyer. Okay, now we are logging in. After we log in, you can see here is the shopping cart. If you click the shopping cart, you'll see there is no books in it at this moment. We want to buy some book, so we can search here. We've inserted about 3,000 books into our database, but their names are randomly generated, so they are not true books. For example, we can search order here. There is a order called order 101. We search it. We can find all the name contains order 101 here. And if we want to choose some books, we want to buy some book, we can choose these 3 books, buy it, and these 3 books will be added to the shopping cart. And if we want to, we don't want to buy the first book, we can remove it. So the first book was removed. And if we want to buy these 2 books, I click these 2 books and click buy. At this moment, our website will send messages to the seller of these 2 books, so the seller knows these 2 books are sold. Okay, thanks for buying our products. Go back to the home. We also have another function called advanced search. The advanced search is you can search terms in different fields. For example, if you want to search the book published in 2001, and you can search the book. It will shows all the books published in 2001. So if you want to search a book which is order 101 and it is published in 2001, we can search 2001 and the order is order 101. You will just search this book as a result. Okay, let's talk about the sellers. We log out first and log in as a seller. If you are a seller, you can see the shopping cart button becomes a seller center. So we can go to the seller center. It will shows all the items you are selling at this moment. So if you want to add some book, you can write the information about your book. For example, this is a book. The order is James. Publish whatever has been and you can add an image here. We don't have image at this moment, so we just register a book without an image, and the book is here now. So this status means these books are selling at this moment. Sometimes maybe it's out of stock, or because some of reasons you don't want to sell it anymore, so you can choose this book and pause it. So this book is paused now. If we search this book, it won't be showed as a result. If we search TTT, no book found. So if we activate it, it will show again. There's also another function. If you type the title of the book, it will goes to a details page. It will shows all the details of this book. But this book has no image, so it looks like this here. There is also another function. You can see the author is J.K. Rowling. So if we want to check the details of J.K. Rowling, we can click here, and it goes to a Wikipedia page, which tells us all about J.K. Rowling. Okay, our website also have another function, which is you can log in as an administrator. If you click this, you can log in as administrator here, and it goes to an administrator page. Administrator have two functions. The first, it can manage books, and second, it can manage users. So if we manage a book, we can see all the books in this website, and we can choose some book. We don't want this book to sell anymore, so we can remove this book. And if you want to manage user, you can see all the users in this website now. We can bind user here. For example, you don't want to see this user anymore by ER1. We can bind him, so it becomes inactive, and this user cannot log in anymore. If we want to activate again, we can choose active. And if we go to the users page, we can see some statistics about this user. We can see at what time this user bought what book, and we can also see this user may used to add some book into the shopping cart, but remove it later. Okay, thanks everyone. This is a demonstration of our website.